This is so satisfying to watch already, and I don't even know what he's going to be sculpting, but I love stuff like this. I mean, who doesn't? All this work with just a chainsaw, this is unbelievable. Oh, it's starting to look like a person. I wonder who it is. I think I know who it is, but I'm not gonna say anything because I want everybody to guess. I mean, come on, the hair itself is giving it away. Now you can see the face perfectly. If you haven't guessed by now, I mean, come on. Now he's gonna add detail. Oh gosh, this is so satisfying. This is one talented person. Look at the details on the hair. This is amazing. I didn't expect him to paint this. It looks amazing. He has every detail down. This is incredible. Love it.